Ramzan is a very special time for Muslims all over the world. It is one of the five pillars of Islam. It is 9 month of Islamic calendar. During this whole month, Muslims fast. Fasting means not to eat and drink from dawn to until sunset. Fasting has many benefits. Fasting in Ramzan gives us blessing of Allah Almighty. Fasting creates discipline in us. It is healthy to keep our stomach empty for 1 month. In this holy month, peoples are busy with prayers. Muslims recite Holy Quran in the holy month. We celebrate Eid Fitr this holy month. The month ends with the feast of Eid Fitr. Muslims donate some part of their wealth to the poor, sick person, children, pregnant women, etc. may obligated to fast.